Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to share your screen on YouTube live video. So let's get started. So first of all, open your web browser. I can open Chrome. Then click on search bar and type youtube.com. Once you are in the YouTube channel, and then click on this create icon, then click on go live. Once you are in Studio, and then click on stream. Now, you will need to download and install software, so you have to download and install OBS Studio on your computer. Now you can download. Now you can see this type of file. Then click. And now let's set up. Then install this software and open OBS Studio. Take us in by clicking on this plus icon, and click on the plus icon for sources, and select Display Capture. OK, and then click on Settings. Click on Stream. Click on Service, and from here, you have to select YouTube. If you can't find it here, then click on Show All and scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here you'll find YouTube. So select YouTube and click on Use Stream Key. Here you'll find your stream key. Click on this eye icon to show your stream key, and copy your stream key by clicking on Copy. Paste your copied stream key here. And click on Connect Account. Now, select your YouTube channel Gmail. Click on Continue. And now open your OBS Studio, and as you can see, I've successfully connected my YouTube channel with my OBS Studio. I'm going to click on Apply and OK. And now, all you have to do is just click on Start Streaming. And that's how you can do it. Now you have successfully share screen on YouTube live stream. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to How to Do It. Thank you for watching. And I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day.